Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is all about this beautiful lady right here. This past weekend was the weekend after Thanksgiving and my family and I put up our main Christmas tree here in our living room, and I wanted to film a little bit of it and share it with you guys, not to give you a decorate with me video, but to give you some hacks. I know that putting up the Christmas tree can be a little stressful. You're struggling with strings of lights, you're trying to get the ornaments just perfect. I totally get why. For a lot of us, the Christmas tree is the centerpiece of our Christmas decorating. You want it to be beautiful, but I promise it can also be stress-free. It's not fun if everybody is stressed out about it. So I'm bringing you 6 Christmas tree hacks to make putting up a tree like this super simple. Let's get started. Alright, so my first tip is to make sure you start with a pre-lit Christmas tree. If you're already using a fake tree anyway, using one that is pre-lit takes out the aggravation of dealing with those strings of lights. It can be so annoying. And once you have your lights set up, I think you should definitely invest in one of these devices that allows you to turn your lights on and off with a remote control. It costs just about $10. I'm going to put a link below if you want to pick one up. It's so simple to do. You just plug it into the wall and you're ready to go. Once I'm ready to get onto my actual decorating, I like to start with a layer of ribbon. This looks so lush. I prefer this to traditional garland. You can buy some really inexpensive rolls of ribbon and it's so pretty hanging on the tree. When it's time to hang those ball ornaments, this is my really silly hack, but I like to use dental floss. I find that it holds the ornaments onto the branches so easily. The wax really grips those branches, and then you want to start layering on your ornaments. I always start with large ornaments toward the back, and then I do smaller ornaments toward the front. That's just a really good basis. And after I've done that, I put little add-ons. I like to fill in with things that are not actual ornaments, bows, flowers, floral picks. This is a great way to fill in any gaps you might see on the tree. It's a really wonderful last layer of decoration that's going to make a tree look so expensive, so lush, really gorgeous. You get that designer look and you've really not done anything elaborate at all. And here it is, all lit up, really pretty after the sun goes down. This really took me just about an hour of work. I used a lot of items from my local dollar store and I think it came out so gorgeous. I cannot wait to share this with my friends and family this year. That's all there is to it. Incorporate some of these ideas into your Christmas decorating this year and I know you're gonna get a breeze of a time out of it. Let me know in the comments below if you've already done your tree, how you like to make it simpler. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit that red subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. I'm doing DIY videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I have a ton more holiday stuff coming up. I'll see you next time. Bye.